Hey marketers, welcome to a new era of affiliate marketing where your imagination knows no bounds. Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, waiting for inspiration to strike? We've all been there feeling stuck and frustrated, but don't worry. I've got the perfect solution for you that will change the way you market forever. Say goodbye to marketer's block and hello to endless creativity with ChatGPT Mastery. With ChatGPT Mastery, you're never out of ideas. Click the link in the description below. Now imagine this. Over 1,200 prompts designed specifically for your niche or a broad audience right at your fingertips. Whether you're into travel, tech, food, or lifestyle, there's something for everyone. Think about all the time you'll save, the frustration you can avoid, and the endless campaigns you can create. No more wasted hours trying to come up with the perfect idea. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's how it works. It's simple, intuitive, and incredibly effective. You open up ChatGPT Mastery, and boom. You've got a treasure trove of ideas just waiting for you. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready with the next big idea. Whether you're a food blogger, tech reviewer, or lifestyle vlogger, there's a prompt for everyone. It's tailored to fit your unique style and audience. It's like having a brainstorming session with a creative mastermind who never runs out of ideas. Imagine the possibilities. Let's dive into an example to see how it works in real life. Say you're an affiliate marketer. You're stuck on what to promote next. The pressure to keep your campaigns fresh and engaging can be overwhelming. You're staring at a product catalog, wondering what to promote or how to pitch it. The ideas just aren't flowing. With ChatGPT Mastery, you could get a prompt like, Top 5 must-have gadgets for tech enthusiasts. Instantly you have a direction and a topic that's sure to captivate your audience. Just like that, you've got a fresh, engaging topic to captivate your audience. Your viewers will be thrilled with the new content you're bringing to the table. And it's not just about generating ideas. ChatGPT Mastery goes beyond that. ChatGPT Mastery helps you structure your content too. It's like having a roadmap for your creativity. You get intro suggestions, main points to cover, and even closing remarks. It's a comprehensive guide to creating compelling content. It's like having a co-writer who's always ready to help, providing you with the support you need to bring your ideas to life. Imagine the consistency you'll bring to your campaigns. Regular, high-quality content that keeps your audience coming back for more. No more erratic posting schedules or last-minute scrambles for content. Your campaign calendar will be full and organized. Your audience will love the regular, high-quality campaigns you'll be able to produce. They'll appreciate the effort and consistency. ChatGPT Mastery has already transformed the workflow of countless marketers. They're producing more content with less stress and getting amazing feedback from their audience. Ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level? It's time to unlock your full potential. Head over to ChatGPT Mastery and unlock your creative potential today. The future of your marketing journey starts now. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. The productivity boost is incredible, so if you're tired of the endless cycle of marketer's block, give ChatGPT Mastery a try. Break free from the chains of creative stagnation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering your marketing journey. And for an exclusive offer, click the link in the video description below. Remember, with ChatGPT Mastery, you're never out of ideas. Mastery Marketing Solutions is here to support your creative journey every step of the way. Click that link and start your journey today.